Okay, so they give PCl3 plus Cl2 in equilibrium PCl5. Kc is 2.63. This is the equilibrium constant. If in an experiment 0.205, this is PCl5, sorry, 0.205 gram of PCl5 and 0.120 gram of PCl3 and 2.020 gram of Cl2 are mixed in a 2.5 liter container. In which direction system will proceed? So A direction. So first step, before we go to A, I like to complete the calculation here. Okay, sama-sama lah kita kira. We start with the mole. So that is alamak. This is 0.000873 mole. If chlorine 0.0285 mole, 35.5 times 5 plus 31, 2085. 208.5. So I get 0.000983. And then we go to concentration. So this one, what was the volume just now? 2.5. Yeah, 2.5. Volume is 2.5. So the concentration will be concentration would be here 0.000393, then 0.0285 divide by 2.5, 0.0114, then 0.000873 divide by 2.5, 0.000349. Okay, these are the concentrations of the compound. Okay, and so what we do is we straight away calculate the QC. Kita sebab nak tahu direction, if you want to know the direction, then you should calculate the QC. So QC sama dengan PCl5 divided by PCl3 multiply with Cl2. That is PCl5 is 0.000393 divided by PCl3 0.000349 multiply with 0.0114. Okay, so try to calculate, tengok dapat berapa. I get 98.7, 98.8. Betul ke? Cuba kita tengok, betul tak? 98.8 kan? Okay. So then we make the conclusion. Then kita kena buat conclusion. Compare KC with QC. Then we say since QC greater than KC, right? QC greater than KC. So where does the equilibrium position will move? Kalau greater backward. So we said since the QC greater than KC, the equilibrium position will shift backward. Right? You all kira sebab saya tak ada calculator, saya gunakan handphone saya saja, takut salah kira. Macam soalan tadi kan, pun ada salah kira, so you just recalculate lah. Okay, recalculate back. Kalau mole betul, lain semua mesti betul lah. Saya takut mole saja salah. So if I'm not mistaken, phosphorus 31, chlorine 35.5, betul kan? Then correct, should be correct. Shankari is not here. Clinic. Oh, okay. Lain semua ada sini Okay, so we answer already Since QC greater than KC, the equilibrium position will shift backward or from right to left lah. Okay. Now moving into the second question, determine the concentration of each reacting species at equilibrium. So we have PCl3 plus Cl2 in equilibrium with PCl5. Okay, and then we already got the initial concentration. So here we have initial concentration 0.00349 and then 0.0114, and then we also have 0.0000393. So this is the initial concentration, right? Now changes in the concentration. So this will be minus X, this will be plus X, this will be plus X, and then equilibrium concentration 0.000 ataupun saya exponent lah, senang lah. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3.49 times 10 to power negative 4 plus X 1, 2. 1.14 times 10 to power negative 2 plus X 1, 2, 3, 4. 3.93 times 10 to power negative 4 minus X. Right, minus X And then we write the KC. KC sama dengan 3.93 times 10 to power negative 4 minus X divided by 3.49 times 10 to power negative 4 plus X. Plus X. And then here 1.14 times 10 to power negative 2 plus X, and then KC is 2 point, berapa tadi? 2.63. Lepas ni matematik lah, saya tak nak ajar kuadratik lah. Selesaikan, you akan dapat X1 satu nilai, X2 satu nilai. Pilih yang positif. You can try to solve now. Saya malas nak buat, you buat sebab kuadratik you try to solve. Oh, you have problem why I put negative at the product, is it? Because equilibrium shift backward kan? Betul? Equilibrium shift backward kan? Tadi kita decide apa? Forward ke? Saya dah lupa. Forward ke backward We say backward or forward? Backward, betul? Backward, sini. Dia sini kan? Kalau dia bergerak ke sini, sekarang PCl5 reactant tau, bukan produk. Sebab dia bergerak ke sini kan? Betul lah? You understand? When you start from here, you are going this way. This you are starting, right? This is reactant. So kalau you kata you start daripada sini pergi macam ni, you start daripada sini, ini reactant. Reactant berkurang ke bertambah? The basic concept. Reactant should decrease kan? Decrease. So negative X. Kalau you still nak guna positif boleh, tapi agak mengelirukan lah. Saya tak tahu you boleh faham ke tak faham. Saya lebih, soalan ni ada dua solution. Dalam the skema pemarkaan dia akan keluar, kalau ini script, ini adalah contoh dokumen skema pemarkaan, dia akan split pada dua. Answer, alternate method. Ini ada alternate method. Alternate method dia reversekan equation. Boleh, ada orang akan buat. Dia akan jadikan PCl5 sebagai reactant. Kemudian dia akan tukar PCl3 gas, Cl2 gas. You nampak apa saya buat? Bila dia reversekan macam itu, konsep masih sama. Sini masih minus, betul lah? Sini minus, sini plus, sini plus. Cuma pelajar-pelajar yang buat macam ni dia terlupa Kc dia bukan Kc lagi, dia Kc prime 1/2.63. Kenapa? Sebab you reverse kan? Ramai salah dekat sini. Saya tanda skrip ni, saya ingat lagi. Ramai salah di Kc. The moment Kc salah, you terdapat markah kesian pun terdapat. Sebab Kc salah. Sebab you reverse kan, dia 1/, kan? Sebab tu saya tak galakkan. Ini warna turquoise ni jangan buat. Saya memang tak galakkan sebab you tends to get confused. That's why when I teach to write KCKP, I told you it's always right hand side divided by left hand side. Kalau saya ajar macam dalam nota kata produk bagi reaktan kan. Kalau saya ajar tu ramai confused, dia terbalik sana terbalik sini. You sentiasa ingat equation yang you pandang itu adalah kanan bahagi kiri. Tapi you kena faham siapa reaktan, siapa produk. Dalam case ini, you pandang equation ini, you punya KC masih kanan bahagi kiri tapi you punya negatif dengan positif berubah. Sebab apa? Equilibrium backward. Sebab tu KC tak kacau 2.63. Tapi kalau the moment I switch the reaction, KC punya expression pun berubah, nilai KC pun kena berubah 1/2.63. So ramai confused di bahagian tu. Sebab tu saya tak galakkan. You buat as it is. The only changes you do is you cari siapa reactant, bawah tu negative X. Itu saja. Lain semua sama, KC sama, nilai KC semua sama, tak payah reverse semua. If not, you get confused. You go back and try to think lah the solution. Luckily you ask this question sebab mungkin sebelum ni tak pernah buat soalan macam ni kan. Ni first time.